Pleasant good afternoon to one and all gathered here on behalf of the Department of Computer Science, Government Arts and Science College, Thiruvannamalur. I, Dr. C. Bhuneshwari, convener and organizing secretary of ICGAI, I cordially welcome the participants for the online presentation. Here, we are going to present your papers. The timing of the paper is 7 minutes for presentation and 3 minutes for question session. I kindly invite Shenbagavel sir to present the thing.
Yes, madam. I'm here. Good afternoon to all. I'm Shanmuel, research scholar from Annamalai University, and working as assistant professor in Arinjarana Government Arts and Science College, Karaikal. Thanks to Dr. Bhuneshwari, madam, HOD, to making this opportunity to present this paper here. Once again, I thank all the coordinators in making this ICGA grant successful. With these words, I present my paper here. We'll share the PPT. Whether the screen is visible, madam?
Sir, yes, sir. Your voice is also audible. Screen is also visible, sir.
Okay, madam. The paper is enhanced detection of brain tumor using hybrid deep learning model with sparrow search algorithm in biomedical imaging. Abstract brain tumors are among the most aggressive diseases requiring rapid detection. The study presents EDBT HDL MSC, that is enhanced detection of brain tumor with using hybrid deep learning model with a sparrow search algorithm, integrating the deep learning model of ShuffleNet B2.3 for feature extraction and AELSTM for classification. We are using sparrow search algorithm to optimize the hyperparameters, demonstrating superior performance compared to existing methods. Introduction. Brain tumors are categorized as primary or metastatic. MRI is a preferred non-invasive method for detection. Manual classification is time-consuming, necessitating computer-aided diagnosis. This study proposes an advanced deep learning-based solution for more accurate tumor classification. Related works, several deep learning models have been proposed for brain tumor detection. Approaches include YOLO V7, unit-based segmentation, and CNN-SVM hybrids. However, accuracy and computational efficiency still require improvements. This is the architecture of proposed model. The images given as the input to the model. During the process of pre-processing, the noise are eliminated through the Sobel filter. For skull removal, we are using unit segmentation method. Then the output given to ShuffleNet 2.3 CNN model for feature extraction. After feature extraction, the image transferred for classification process. We are using autoencoder and long short-term memory model for classification. During this classification for hyperparameter tuning, we are using this sparrow search algorithm. Finally, the trained model given the classification, whether it is no tumor, meningioma, glioma, or pituitary. This performance is evaluated through the metrics accuracy, precision, recall, F-score, and MCC. We'll go through this model in detail. The proposed methodology overview. This model technique consists of image pre-processing. We are using Sobel filter for noise removal and unit for skull skipping. For feature extraction, we are using the ShuffleNet 2.3 for efficient feature learning. For classification, we are using AELSTM hybrid model. Hyperparameter optimization, we are using the sparrow search algorithm SSCA. Why we are using Sobel filter means detects tumor edges by emphasizing spatial variations. It detects the spatial variations between the intensity of the pixel. So it is Sobel filter useful for edge detection. So we are using here. Unit segmentation ensures accurate skull removal for improved feature extraction. For a lightweight scene and architecture designed for fast feature extraction, we are using ShuffleNet V2.3 because it is lightweight CNN architecture designed for fast feature extraction and uses channel shuffling to optimize computations and reduce resource usage. Enhances feature representation while maintaining high classification accuracy. For classification process, we are using AE-LSTM model. This autoencoder extracts key features from MRI images. This LSTM process temporal dependencies for better classification. Includes dropout layers to prevent overfitting and improve generalization. This autoencoder we are using because it is encoding and decoding process. During encoding, it extracts special features, and decoding process it highlights the uh, features. For hyperparameter, we are using SSA. SSA mimics the sparrow's foraging behavior for efficient optimization. It's a meta-heuristic algorithm. It is nature-based meta-heuristic algorithm. We are taking the behavior of the sparrow to create this algorithm. To enhance the classification accuracy by tuning AELSTM parameters. To make better classification for AELSTM, we are using the SSA for hyperparameter tuning. Ensures better training convergence with the minimal computational overhead. For this purpose, we are using a dataset from benchmark dataset taken from Kaggle. It contains no tumor, meningioma, glioma, pituitary, this number of images, total 7,013 images. We are using 70-30% for training and testing purpose. For performance analysis, we are using the confusion matrix here. We are calculating accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score for evaluating the performance. This model achieves an average of accuracy 98.57%, demonstrates superior classification performance compared to existing methods. We are comparing with the other deep learning model. Inception V3 having 97.12%, ResNet 50 having 96.97%, Exception 95.61%, our model giving 98.57%, which is better than other model. The proposed model achieves highest accuracy while maintaining computational efficiency. Conclusion, this model integrates this ShuffleNet 2.3 and AELSTM with SSC optimization, achieves superior brain tumor detection and classification performance, outperforms existing deep learning models in efficiency and accuracy. For future work, implement real-time clinical applications. These are the references. That's all, madam. Any queries?
Sir, thank you, sir, for your presentation.
Yes,
Actually, your
madam.
presentation is very good.
Thank you.
Sir, I have two queries regarding it, sir.
Yes, madam.
Sir, what is the idea behind choosing Sparrow algorithm, sir?
Actually, hyperparameter tuning மேடம் லேர்னிங் ரேட் அந்த அதில் எவ்வளோ லெவல் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் அது எல்எஸ்டிஎம்ல வந்து எவ்வளோ லெவல் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு ஹைப்பர் பேராமீட்டர் டூனிங் தான் சார் ஆப்டிமைசேஷன் அல்காரிதம் எல்லாமே வி ஆர் யூசிங்.
Okay, sir. So then, how about the accuracy, sir? How much of accuracy do you get now? And
98.5 சார் மேடம் ஐ ஷோ.
okay, sir. So, it's a kind suggestion, but it cannot be implemented easily.
ஓகே
Like
மேடம்.
since we are dealing with the humans and medical images,
எஸ்
we
மேடம்.
need to have full maximum accuracy, sir.
ஓ
So, if
மோர் தென்
possible, just
98.5
increase the accuracy, sir.
ஓ எஸ் மேடம்.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for your presentation.
தேங்க்யூ மேடம் ஐ வில் டேக்
Presentation
இட் அஸ்
was good.
சஜஷன்.
Sir, kindly hold on line, sir. We have photo session at the last, sir.
ஓகே மேடம்.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. I now request Shuganti to present the thing.
Hello, hello.
எஸ் மேடம்
Is my audible?
எஸ் ஆடிபிள் மேடம்.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon to all. Myself, Shiganti, research scholar from St. Anne's College of Arts and Science, Dindivanam, under the guidance of Dr. Satya Ma'am, Principal and Head of the Department, PG and Research Department of Computer Science. Today I am going to discuss the topic Perception of data mining in fake news detection on social media. These are, these are the content. Today I am going to discuss abstract, introduction, proposed system, algorithm, datasets, methodology, and conclusion. Now I am going to explain the abstract. Nowadays, we are watching that lot of fake news are circulating in the social media. Fake news shared everywhere without knowing the truthfulness of particular information. When it is come to news consumption, social media present both advantage and disadvantage like a double-edged sword in social media for news consumption. On the one hand, it low cost, convenient to access and rapid information sharing lead people to search for consume social media content. On the other hand, it allows fake news to spread widely. Next introduction. As we are increasing the social media nowadays, it our responsibility to make sure that whatever we and other get from the social media that the news is real or fake. As more and more of our lives are spent communicating online across social networking channels, individuals perform to search for and observe social media news instead of conventional news organizations. A crucial goal in improving the trustworthiness of data in online social network is spot the fake news timely, which can the most task steady during this work. Next proposed system. People are increasingly seeking out and consuming news from the social media platform instead of traditional news outlets as they spend more time of their life connecting with other online sites. We use data mining technique that is feature extraction to detect the fake news. In addition, we expanded the topic to other applications and talked about the datasets, evaluation criteria, and possible futures survey in false news detection research. Effective method to differentiate credible user, extract useful post futures, and exploit network interaction are an open area of research and need feature instruction. Next, I am going to discuss dataset. The dataset to be utilized in the study or unshared software and available in internet. The information contains both true and false news articles from multiple domains. The first dataset is named as ISOT fake news dataset. It is mentioned as DSS1, which contain both true and false articles extracted from the World Wide Web. The second dataset is out there at Kaggle. It is mentioned as DS2, which contain around of 19,222 articles used for training and 11,543 articles used for testing. Next, algorithm. Hello?
Yes, ma, you proceed, ma.
Yes, ma'am, yes. Here I am showing the reference link of the dataset that is used in my study. Next one, algorithm. I am using passive aggressive algorithm of machine learning algorithm. A very good example of this algorithm to detect the fake news on the social media website like Twitter, where new data set is being added every seconds to dynamically read data from Twitter continuously. The data could be used and using online learning algorithm could be idle. Passive. If the prediction is correct, keep the model and do not make any changes. That is, the data in this example is not enough to cause any changes in the model. Aggressive. If the prediction is incorrect, make change to the model. That is, some change to be model may correct it. Next methodology. In the methodology, I am going to discuss data collection, analyze and protection, and saving the trained model. Data collection. The data set used in this fake news detection taken from the Kaggle and ISOT repository, analyze and protection. In the actual data set, then choose only two features such as text and label. Among this data set, 1 denotes real and 0 denotes fake. Next, saving the trained model. Once you are confident enough to take your trained and test model into the protection ready environment, the first step is to save it into .pkl using a library like Pickle. Conclusion. In this research paper, discuss the problem of classifying fake news reports using passive-aggressive model and entity techniques. The main aim of the experimental is to recognize, affecting, test, and convert fake report from real news. In future, we will detect fake news from image, video, graphical documents, etc.
Shuganti, your presentation was good.
Advantage of this.
Uh, I have some queries regarding it now.
Yes, ma'am.
According to your work, you are in starting phase.
Yes, ma'am.
Are in starting phase, but okay, your work is good. But the algorithm and all, you need to explain it in a clear way.
Okay,
And
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
also, the results must be more than your result you are obtaining.
Yes, this is my basic paper, base paper, ma'am.
Base paper. Okay.
Hereafter, I will do.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Monisha, you can present now. Monisha, you can present now.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma, you are audible. You can continue.
Good afternoon to all one and all. I am Monisha, research scholar from Saint Anne College of Arts and Science, Dindivanam, under the guidance of Dr. Venila. Theoretical background, proposed method, experimental system and outcome, and conclusions. Now I am going to explain abstract. Today, in today's world, detecting networks attacks have become necessary on. Data mining technologies plays an important role in detecting cyber attacks. The data mining helps to select and extract relevant information from large data set. We use data mining classification techniques for access, intrusion detection to establish a network security. We also use machine learning algorithm for classifications such as a random tree, navy bias, J48 method and random forest algorithm, which helps to find a useful patterns to provide a accurate data. The next one is introductions. IDS is a network security tool that that monitors a network traffic for suspicious activity or policy violations and monitor network traffic for known as the threats and malicious activity. Malicious activity is nothing but illegal activities. Firewall and software updates are static defense mechanisms that create a security model to collecting a large amount of data from the internet. The most common areas of use in IDS are illusion detection and intrusion preventions. The next one is theoretical background. Theoretical background is PCA, Principal Component Analysis. PCA is a dimensionality reduction and machine learning method used to simplify a large data set into a smaller set while still maintaining a significant pattern and trends. The data mining is the process of analyzing data in large amount of data to find a patterns and insight. The data mining is a extract valuable information from data to data. The VCA tool is one of the data mining extraction software. The data mining algorithm and machine learning algorithm define in four methods. Random forest method, J48 method, random tree method, and navy bias method. The first one is random forest method, a machine learning algorithm that combines multiple decision tree to make a predictions. And J48 method. J48 algorithm is used to classify a different applications and perform accurate result of the classifications. The J48 method algorithm is the one of the best machine learning algorithm. The next one is random tree method, a machine learning algorithm that uses multiple decision tree to make a prediction, and it is also known as the random forest algorithm. The final one is navy bias algorithm, is a machine learning algorithm that uses probability to classify a data. It is a simple and fast and easy to work. The next one is proposed method. The proposed method will used in a NSLKDD method. The NSLKDD is means for network security, laboratory knowledge, discovery and data mining. Used this experiment. Four classification schemes are using. The next one is conclusion. In this paper, the data mining classification techniques have been used to accurately classify a IDS data. The IDS is stands for intrusion detection system. A classification was performed using a navy bias, random trees, and random forest and J48 method. Compared to other algorithm, the random forest techniques is the one of the most accurate values most accurate. In these features, we will find here some tools that will be accurately detect the attacks the data. In this forthcoming, we will find some tools that will accurately detect the attacks, and the data mining algorithm will be applicable to the big data problems. Thank you.
Monisha, your presentation was good, ma. As you are in the early stage of your research, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but you have done something. I have a question for you.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the base thing regarding the random forest? How does it select the data set and how it produces the classifier result?
Ma'am, the random forest method is accurate values are displaying, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. If you go through more literature and papers, you can get the more answers. Okay.
Okay, yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you, Pa. Thank you for your
Thank,
presentation.
thank you.
And now the final presentation for Mr. Ganeshan sir. You can present your things. Ganeshan sir, you can present now. Dear participants, we can now finish up with the photo session and I will continue with the Ganeshan sir presentation. Kindly open your video, Pa.
ஆப் ரிமூவ்னு வருது.
குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன் ஆல். மேடம் ஒன் செகண்ட் மேடம், நான் அந்த ஸ்க்ரீன் ஷேர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன்
சார் மேடம் ஃபோட்டோ எடுக்கணும் நாங்கள், ப்ளீஸ் வெயிட் சார்.
ஹலோ, குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன்.
குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன் சார்.
A few seconds, Pa. Kindly open your video.
குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன் சார். வாய்ஸ் கேட்குதுங்களா சார்?
கேட்குது சார். மேடம் ஃபோட்டோ எடுக்கணும் நாங்கள் சார், கொஞ்சம் வீடியோ ஓப்பன் பண்ணுங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ணலாம் சார்.
ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார்.
அப்படியே வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணிங்க சார்.
யூஎஸ்பி யூஎஸ்பி பேப்பர் டைப் பண்ணுங்க மேலே பேப்பரில்.
Thank you, participants, for your photo session. Thank you, sir. Ganesan sir,
Thank
now
you,
you
ma'am.
can start with your presentation. Other
Yes, ma'am.
participants,
Yes,
if you
finish.
want, you can leave.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Monisha, kindly call me, ma.
Oh, good afternoon to all. My paper name is Data Encryption through Key-Based Operation. So data encryption is the security method that translates data into code. So previously we have studied what is meant by encryption. In maximum, this concept is used in operating system for the purpose of security.
Ganesan sir.
So,
Sir,
so
sir,
madam
your
கேக்குதுங்களா?
PPT is not visible, sir. Sir, your PPT is not
Screen
visible, sir.
மேடம் ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க மேடம். தான் விசிபிள் ஆகிட்டு தான் இருக்குது எனக்கு. மேடம் அந்த ஷோ ஸ்க்ரீன் ஷேரிங் அதான் மேடம்.
Yes, sir.
ஷேர் ஸ்க்ரீன் தான் மேடம். ஷேர் ஸ்க்ரீன்
Yes,
தானே?
sir. Entire screen கொடுங்க, sir.
என்டையர் ஸ்க்ரீனா?
Yes. Yes, sir.
என்டையர் ஸ்க்ரீன் தான் மேடம் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். ஒரு நிமிஷம் மேடம்.
ஓகேங்களா? நான் வேணா வந்துட்டு என்ன பண்ணேன்னா, எங்கேயும் கன்செஷன் சொல்லி
Ma'am, இப்போ ஸ்க்ரீன் ஷேர் தெரியுதுங்களா மேடம்?
Yes, sir. Your screen is visible now, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank
Now
you,
the
ma'am.
screen is visible, sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon all. Sorry for the late. My topic is data encryption. This is the key-based operation. We have studied in our previous subject operating system how to translate the technique of encryption. This is the concept of security purpose. Suppose we are going to transfer some important data which is going to be encrypted, as well as the client side or server side is to be decryption. So I take the new encryption topic is that method translate data into code that be is the many concept is used to translate the technique. I used the key based concept. So what is key based concept? I say particular key is assigned by individual word. So each and every word is protected by some secret key. That key is programmed by the client side programmer. So the product the data from, so we know very well about the data is protected from unauthorized person. We are saying that person is stolen or any scam person. So our target is data is to be protected through key. So the key is designed by the programmer by word by word. So I take the symmetric encryption uses the same key. Asymmetric encryption. So two types of techniques available in our operating system subject previously. So I have used symmetric as well as asymmetric key transfer operation. So next we are going to discuss about what is data encryption production. This means promotes the data integrity and prevent the data theft. So this is the basic concept.
Sir, excuse me,
Basic
sir.
concept in our operating system.
Sir, Ganeshan, sir, excuse me. Sir,
Hello.
sir, excuse me, sir. Your voice is not
Tell me,
audible,
madam.
sir. Your voice is not audible, sir.
One second, ma'am. Ma'am, is it audible now?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Carry on, sir.
I think you are seeing my screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Please continue, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. So basically, two types of techniques we are going to use to protect the data. Whatever it may be possible, I use key-based operation. So some persons are used some symbol operation or any other technique. So symmetric operation is used to single private key for encryption or decryption. So which key is used to protect the word for encryption? That key is also used to protection for the decryption. So for the main purpose of this operation is used to faster than the method asymmetric encryption. So this is best techniques is used for the individuals close to the system. So what is in the asymmetric? Asymmetric operation is, I say give simple example. In case we are transfer the Google Pay or Phone Pay, so only is through possible our secret PIN number to transfer the money from one person to another person. if it's for the money in Google Pay or Phone Pay. So it is mostly like as the symmetric operation. So what is the asymmetric operation? Asymmetric operation is the public encryption key. Both are having the same concept. Many people know how to decrypt the data. So two different keys, encryption and decryption. It is public and private key. We are taking two modes, private and public, for we are going to use in asymmetric data operation. Either can be used to decryption the data, paired must be used to decryption. So data is paired. So what is the paired? This is, I use this time. So data is to be paired as well as simultaneously we have to use or we have to put the secret key. With the help of operating system, we have put the key simultaneously with the data transfer. So I say main advantages of key-based secure data transfer is highly recommended for data security for the reason the production algorithm is used. So what is meant by highly protected algorithm? So if a broken or guess any technique for the use of this algorithm, thus the unauthorized person cannot possible to broken this algorithm. So we are going to use the key method. In our paper, the symmetry key is used to the key-based operation for the data transfer. I got any doubts? You just ask me in this session. I will clear it.
Sir? Sir, Ganesan sir? Sir?
Yes, if you got any doubt in this session, I just ask me in this session. I will clear it.
Sir?
The key-based operation data transfer to system. Can you hear me voice now?
Sir, can you hear me, sir? Sir? Ganesan sir?
I think what? Yes, ma'am.
Sir, you presented well, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Nice presentation, sir.
Just thank you. Thank you.
No, sir. Can you tell me some other algorithm which is used for encryption and decryptions other than asymmetric encryptions? Can you suggest some other algorithms?
Ma'am, the cyclomatic algorithm is mostly used to transfer the data in the operating system. You just Google it,
Okay, sir.
cyclomatic algorithm. It is based
Okay,
on
sir. Okay, sir.
it is based on a round robin. Already you read well in operating system topic, round robin. Round robin concept is
Medicine,
used
sir.
in
Thank you very much
scientific
for your
algorithm.
presentation, sir.
Thank
Your
you, madam.
presentation was good.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you very
Thank you,
much. We
madam.
are expecting you in person for the conference, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.